Welcome to www.examclever.com website. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మనం ప్రతిరోజు కొన్ని సెంటెన్సెస్ అనేవి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తూ వస్తున్నామండి. దానిలోనూ భాగంగా ఇది 4th వీడియో అండి. మిగిలిన వీడియో మీరు చూడకపోతే డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో లింక్స్ ఉంటాయండి, ఒకసారి చూడండి. అదేవిధంగా www.examclever.com వెబ్సైట్లో ఫ్రీగా ఆన్లైన్ టెస్ట్ కండక్ట్ చేయబడుతుందండి. అదేవిధంగా కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ కానీ, పీడిఎఫ్స్ కానీ, ఇంగ్లీష్ పీడిఎఫ్స్, తర్వాత ఇతర ఎగ్జామ్స్కి సంబంధించిన పీడిఎఫ్స్ కూడా దొరుకుతాయండి. కాబట్టి మీరు ఒకసారి వెళ్ళి మీకు నచ్చితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి ఆ వెబ్సైట్ని. సరే ఫ్రెండ్స్, మరి ఈరోజు లెసన్లోకి ప్రాక్టీస్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. Would you prefer to have dinner? No, or I prefer later. Who are those people? I don't know. Do you stay with your parents right now? No, but I used to. Where would you like to go? I would like to go home. Do you have a camera? No, I don't. Do you have a car? No, I don't. Does the clock work? No, it's broken. Do you want to walk home? No, let's take the car. May I open the window? Certainly, it is very hot in the office today. Does he speak English well? Yes, he speaks well, better than I do. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play a football. Are you leaving now? Yes, I am. Are you tired? I was, but I am not now. Should I call you tonight? No, call me in the morning. Did you have fun at the party? No, I didn't. Is your wife a doctor? No, she is a teacher. Are you leaving now? Yes, see you tomorrow. Was your exam difficult? No, it was easy. This sentence are repeated. I am particularly sorry. When does the Radha start your new job? Do you know any Indian? I only know how to say hi Indian. Why are you putting on your coat? I am going out. Where did you go? I went to shopping. When are you going to India? I will there in March. Do you watch the news? I watch it every day. Are there any restaurants near here? No, there are not. Are you here for the first time? Right. Who is your favorite singer? I am big fan of Karthik, a talented US singer and songwriter. Were there many people at the meeting? No, very few. Is that support popular in your country? Yes, it is. Have you got a camera? No, I don't. How did you learn English? I took classes for 2 years. You have not eaten yet, you have? You? No, I am not hungry. Are these your keys? Yes, they are. What are you doing tomorrow afternoon? I am working. Are you wearing a watch? No, I am not. Would you like to go out tonight? I would rather not. Are you hungry? No, I just had dinner. Are Ramu and Karthik here? Yes, they just arrived. Sorry. Yes, they just arrived. Are you coming back soon? Yes, I will be back next week. When is Karthik going to work? He is already gone to work. Where are Radha and Karthik? They are playing tennis in the park. How was the party? It was good time. Are you Brazilian? No, I am not. I am Indian. If the sun shining? Yes, it is. Is there any rice? Yes, there is a lot of rice left. When did you go to England? When did you go to England? I went there 2 years ago. Have you ever been to Russia? No, but Karthik has. How is business? Business is good. Are you a student? Yes, I am student. Do you think we should wait for Howard? No, let's not wait for him. Can you give me a hand? Sorry, I am a bit busy at the moment. Is it true that you speak English? Yes, I can. Can you see me? No, I cannot see. What is the best time to call you? After our 4. After 4. How did you learn English? I have been studying myself. I have been studying by myself. Have you ever been to England? Yes, thrice. What did you buy? What did you buy? We bought some new clothes on sale. Do you watch TV a lot? No, I don't. Can you translate this for me? Yes, I will. What newspaper do you read? What newspaper do you read? I read the Indian Express or I read the Hindu newspaper. Did you buy anything yesterday? Yes, I did. What piece of music do you like? My favorite song is Indian song. Can I try it on? Sure. The changing rooms are over there. Are there any sandwiches? No, there are not any sandwiches left. Are you doing anything this evening? Yes, I am going out with some friends. Did Ram and Karthik go to the wedding? No, they were not invited. Is this your book? No, I think it's his book. Did you like Chinese? I loved it. It was so much fun. Are your friends staying at the hotel? No, they are staying with me. Are you enjoying the movie? Yes, it's very funny. How often do you come here? I come here almost every day. Is the internet slow? Yes, it is very slow. Where is the pharmacy? The pharmacy is next to the bank. Whose is that? Whose is that? It's Henry, my sister's finance. Are you sitting on the floor? Yes, I am. The movie was not very good, was it? No, it was terrible. Radha will be here soon, won't he? Yes, probably. Do you work or do you work or study? No, I work. What do you like to do on weekends? I like playing cricket, reading and listening music. Are you teacher? Yes, I am. How often do you eat out? Who do you go with? I often eat out on weekends when I hang out with my friends. Do you think you will get a rise soon? I hope so. How can I help you? Yes, please, I want to. Have you got something bigger? Certainly, we have got larger sizes as well. What type of food do you enjoy to eat? Western or Asian? I am interested in Asian food. Western food is not my thing. What would you like to drink? Just water for me. Is it drank now? Yes, it is. What does she look like? What does she look like? She is tall and slim with blonde hair. Is this worth $200? No, it can be worth that. Are you ready to order? Not quite. I think we need a little more time. How tall are you? I am about 5 feet tall. Would you like some coffee? Yes, thank you. I would like some coffee. Who do you usually go with? I often go with my family, sometimes with my best friends. Radha does not go out much, does she? No, she doesn't. Have you seen my phone? No, I have not. Do you want to see a doctor? Yes, I do. Friends, ఈ వీడియోతో కొన్ని సెంటెన్సెస్ అని కంప్లీట్ చేసామండి. ఇలాంటి వీడియోస్ మీకు ఇంకా కావాలనిపిస్తే, మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో మోర్ దెన్ దీస్ వీడియోస్ అని టైప్ చేసి పంపించండి. అంటే ఏదో మీకు ఇంకా కావాలని మాకు మెసేజ్ చేస్తే ఖచ్చితంగా ఇలాంటి వీడియోస్ అనేవి చేస్తామండి, మీకు యూజ్ఫుల్ అయితేనే. సరే ఫ్రెండ్స్, మరో వీడియోలో కలుసుకుందాం. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చితే షేర్ చేయండి, అదేవిధంగా మన ఛానల్ని ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఓనో హై సఫల్, ఫాలో హఫల్.